Okay. Um, Fatima Adya,
Yes, sir.
will you be able to do the prayer properly?
Yes.
Start, please.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
Okay. Good morning once again. Now tell me, Zoha, what have we done in the last lecture?
Sir, we have done fill in the blanks of poem number 2.
Great. Fill in the blanks of poem number two. There were five fill in the blanks we have done, right?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Let me finish my talk with Zoha. So, Zoha, there were five fill in the blanks, right?
yes,
Okay. And so, in this poem, we have completed hard words. Have we done rhyming
yes.
words, beta?
No, sir.
Okay. So, today we will just do rhyming words and then we will discuss further on what do we have to do. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Muskan, tell me.
Sir, FB we have to write in fair book.
No, no, don't write anything right now in the fair book. Just lesson one. I think. What have I given you in lesson one so far?
Sir, you have given meanings, hard words, and FB.
Lesson one.
Yes, and question answers you have dictate us, but last answer you have not tell us yet.
Last answer. I was about to check for all the students. Right. Anyways, Zoha, whatever we have done so far in the lesson number one, you're going to send it to me today in one
Yes, sir.
PDF. In one PDF before 11 o'clock. Is that possible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but without fail, please send it to me.
Okay.
Right. Now, let's first do the rhyming words for poem number two. And rhyming words, we will only just need 10 minutes to write. So, please, all of you, kindly take out the rough book. I hope you people can see my screen.
Yes, sir. We
Yes,
can
sir.
see.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, give the heading poem number two, today's date, subject English. And then in the first line, you can give the heading rhyming words. Once you are ready with the heading, say yes, sir, and mute the mic.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Kadri.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the first rhyming word, flew, view, flew, view. Wait a minute.
Hello, Rohan sir.
Sorry for the inconvenience, girls. Actually, there was the network issue, so I was just finding the Wi-Fi. Okay, have you written the first one, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. We have
Yes,
written.
sir.
Very good,
Yes, sir.
excellent.
We have written.
Okay, I will just read and I will again underline the new rhyming word. Land who cried Andrew, and he made for the Isle in a canoe at the quarter past two with a shout of yoo-hoo. He returned with a load of golden bamboo. Yoo-hoo and bamboo. There is one more. I will highlight it with a different color. It's Andrew nephew. Can you see both clearly on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We
Okay, I'll give
can
you 1 minute.
see.
Please write it.
Sir, first Andrew and nephew. Na?
Anyone. You can write this number two. You can write this number two. At least you have to just keep the note with you.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, shall I scroll this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
sir. Sir.
Next is taboo voodoo. And in the same stanza, grew blue. Girls, then you can even write See, look here. Grew, brew. So one is taboo voodoo. Next is grew, blue. And the third one is grew, brew. Is that clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes,
Clear.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. See, I have highlighted with different colors: green, red pair, and orange pair. Done?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes,
Done.
sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, next is blue, you. Then crew, few. Blue, you. Crew, few. Okay, next is new stew. So how many rhyming words are there now?
Nine.
Nine.
Eight.
9.
See, I will repeat all. Number one, please mute the mic. Flew view. Number two, Andrew nephew. Number three, Yuhu bamboo. Number four, taboo voodoo. Number five, brew grew. Number six, grew blue. Number seven, blue you. Number eight, crew few. And number nine, stew new. Clear enough?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sure?
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay, now tell me.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
now
Sure.
now leave one line. Girls, mute the mic. Leave one line and give the heading. What is the heading?
Meanings.
Meanings.
Now, girls, you know that from this box, all are not meanings. Few are given word and few are the meanings. Only whatever I ask you to write, you will write in the meanings. Am I making sense? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here, canoe, taboo. These two are the meanings. Can you see the highlighted two words?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, this is also a meaning. Voodoo. These three are the meanings. Canoe, taboo, voodoo. These three are the meanings. Please write it down. I'll give you 2 to 3 minutes. With good handwriting, leaving one line.
Done.
Very good.
Done,
Done.
Muskan.
My work is done, Sheikh Mahdi.
Very good.
Done.
My work is done, Kasman. Cut.
Done, Alina Kholia.
It's done.
Is someone still writing? Is anyone writing?
No, sir.
Sir, my one is done.
Okay. Now on the next page, perhaps the last page of the poem, you Bucaro. So these two are the meanings. You and Bucaro. These two are the meanings.
Sir, done.
Sir, my work is done. Rauchani Muskan.
So five meanings are there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, my work is done. Military Misbah.
Work is done, already, sir.
Sir, my work is done. Kasmani Fat.
Sir, my work is done. Iman. Sir, my work is done. Sheikh Mahdin.
Aisha.
Okay. So today we have written 9 rhyming words and 5 meanings. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So,
Sir,
yes, beta.
sir, in homework, no.
What?
That meanings in driving words.
No, you have written right now in the lecture, right? Have you written it in your rough book?
Okay, sir.
Now I'm asking you, have you written or not?
Sir, I joined late now, so I taken screenshot and I do right now.
So whenever you finish, you send your homework, okay? But
Okay, sir. In rough book, na?
yes, in rough book.
Okay.
Yeah. So fine. Now Zoha, just repeat what are the rhyming words.
Okay, sir. Timing words. Number one, flew, view. Number two, yoo-hoo, bamboo. Number three, Andrew, nephew. Number four, taboo, voodoo. Number five, grew, glue. Number six, grew, grew, grew. Number seven, blue, hue. Number eight, grew, few. Number nine, new stew.
Okay. Now Muskan,
Yes, sir.
read all the meanings.
Okay, sir. Meanings. Number first, canoe, a light, narrow boat. Number second, taboo, forbidden. Number C, voodoo, witchcraft or black magic. Number fourth, you, color. Number fifth, bukaru, a cowboy.
Excellent. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Um. So here with this, all the objectives of poem 2 are over. Now, whatever is to be written in the fair book, by tomorrow you will get it the PDF file in your groups. For now, just keep these notes with you in the rough notebook. Now, from your side, any doubt in the second poem? You can ask.
No, sir. No doubt.
No, sir, no doubts.
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay. So I suppose no one has any doubt.
Sir, I have
Now,
doubt in running work.
who is this? Mahek. Yes, beta. What is your name?
Sir, Mahek,
Yes,
sir,
Mahek. Tell
you
me.
have, sir, you have teachers Yuhu and Bamboo, Taboo and Voodoo. So we can write Yuhu and Voodoo and Taboo and Bamboo.
You can write that. It's like you see. I have given you. Even I have given you. Where was it? Where was it? Yes. So I have given you two rhyming words which has the same answer grew. One is grew and brew. Another is grew and blue. So rhyming means it should sound same at the end.
Yes,
That's the
but
first rule. Second rule is if the last two letters or three letters are same. So it's fine.
okay, sir.
Correct? So that's up to you if you want to write double of it or if you want to change, but it should rhyme. That what the answer should mean. Is there anything
Okay.
else I can help you out in?
Yes, thank you.
Great stuff. Okay, yes, anyone else like this? If you have any doubt, you can share here.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Muskan, tell me.
Sir, Soha is telling that you have gave FB meanings, CF that all, but only you have given hard words and the question answers.
Let's see what Zoha will send. I will check and I will let you know. Is there anything else?
No, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So, Zoha, without fail, whatever you have written, please send me in one PDF. I'll just check it out.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, then have a nice day. Goodbye, girls.
Goodbye, sir. Have a
Goodbye,
wonderful
sir. Have a
day.
wonderful day.
Great day.
Day.